The Nikon Z6 III marks a notable step forward in Nikon's mirrorless camera range, offering a thoughtful balance between accessible models and the premium Z7 series. Aimed at enthusiasts and semi-professionals, it delivers impressive image quality in a compact, lightweight body. Its versatile features are designed to support both still photography and video production, appealing to those who want modern innovation without the heft of a traditional DSLR. Expanding on the strengths of its predecessor, the Z6 III features a newly engineered sensor that significantly boosts image clarity and low-light capability. The higher resolution enables more detailed shots and greater flexibility. During editing, while the upgraded processor delivers swift autofocus and rapid burst shooting. These enhancements make the camera highly responsive, and the addition of advanced video tools and improved connectivity options further extends its usefulness for creative professionals. The Z6 III's advanced autofocus system ensures subjects are captured with precision, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its multiple focus points and intelligent tracking keep moving subjects sharp, while the fast burst shooting mode is perfect for dynamic scenes. Whether you're capturing sports, wildlife, or spontaneous moments, the camera's reliability across diverse environments means you can trust it to seize every opportunity. Videographers will appreciate the Z6 III's robust 4K recording capabilities, which include a variety of frame rates for creative flexibility, such as slow motion, enhanced autofocus during video, 10-bit internal capture, and features like focus peaking and zebra patterns provide precise control over footage. For more demanding projects, external recording via HDMI adds further versatility, making this camera a compelling choice for high-quality video production in a portable package. Durability and ergonomics are standout qualities of the Z6 III. Its sturdy chassis offers a reassuring feel, while the comfortable grip and well-placed controls make operation intuitive, even during extended sessions. The electronic viewfinder delivers a clear, accurate display for composition, and the responsive touchscreen simplifies menu navigation and quick adjustments. Together, these design features create a smooth and enjoyable shooting experience for photographers of all skill levels. Practical considerations like battery life are important, especially when using intensive features such as continuous autofocus or high-resolution video. The Z6 III provides flexible connectivity, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, making file transfers and remote operation straightforward. Its compatibility with a broad selection of lenses and accessories allows users to customize their setup, ensuring seamless integration into any workflow. When compared to rivals like the Sony a7 IV and Canon EOS R6 Mark II, the Z6 III stands out for its combination of speed, image quality, and advanced autofocus technology. Upgrades over previous Nikon models, including a refined sensor and enhanced video capabilities, make it particularly appealing for those seeking a versatile camera. While competing models may offer specialized advantages, the Z6 III's well-rounded performance and durable build position it as a strong contender in the mid-range full-frame mirrorless market. The Z6 III impresses with its sharp imaging, swift autofocus, and dependable high-speed shooting. Its compact form and ergonomic design suit a variety of users, and its low-light capabilities are noteworthy. However, battery life may be a concern during prolonged use, and the single card slot could be a limitation for professionals. While its video features are competitive, some alternatives offer even more advanced options. Overall, the Z6 III remains a balanced and capable choice for both photography and videography. In summary, the Nikon Z6 III delivers a compelling mix of performance, image quality, and innovative features. Its improved autofocus, robust video capabilities, and strong low-light performance suit a wide range of shooting styles, from landscapes and portraits to events and weddings. The intuitive interface helps newcomers get up to speed quickly, while advanced recording options benefit videographers. Whether you prioritize adaptability or quality, the Z6 III is a reliable all-rounder for creative pursuits. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive review of the Nikon Z6 III. If you have thoughts or questions about this camera, Please share them in the comments below. We look forward to your feedback and invite you to subscribe for more expert insights on the latest camera releases.